Welcome to Education Hub. In this video, we are going to talk about Python dictionary. What do you mean by dictionary? Dictionary are used to store data values in key-value pairs. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable and does not allow duplicates. Dictionary are written with curly bracket and have keys and values. Now, if key exists, here we have to check if key exists. To determine if a specified key is present in a dictionary, use the in keyword. In this example, check if model is present in the dictionary. Here, dictionary equal to brand colon Ford, model colon Mustang, year colon 1965. If model in dictionary, print yes. Run it and the output will be yes. Model is one of the keys in the dictionary. How to change dictionary items? You can change the value of a specific item by referring to its key name. In this example, change the year to 2017. Dictionary equal to, these are the key and these are the values. Dictionary year equal to 2017. Print dictionary. Run it and the output will be brand colon Ford, model colon Mustang and year equal to 2017. Here change the year to 2017. Update dictionary. The update method will update the dictionary with the items from the given argument. The argument must be a dictionary or an iterable object with the key-value pairs. Update the year of the car by using the update method. Dictionary equal to, these are the key, these are the values. Dictionary dot update curly braces, here year colon 2021. Print dictionary. Run it and the output will be brand colon Ford, model colon Mustang, year colon 2021. Here update the year of the car by using the update method. Now, how to add dictionary items? Adding items to the dictionary. Adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. Let's take an example. Dictionary equal to, these are the keys, these are value. Dictionary color equal to red. Print dictionary. Run it and the output will be brand colon Ford, model colon Mustang, year colon 1965 and the color colon red. Here adding an item to the dictionary, that is color colon red. Add a color item to the dictionary by using the update method. Dictionary dot update color colon red. Print dictionary. Run it and the output will be brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964, color red. Remove dictionary items. How to remove an items from the dictionary? There are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. Here we use pop method. The pop method removes the item with the specified key name. Here dictionary equal to brand key colon Ford value, model year key colon Mustang 1964. Dictionary dot pop model. Print dictionary. Run it and the output will be brand colon Ford, year colon 1964. Here the pop method removes the item with the specified key name. Here pop model colon Mustang removes. In this pop method removes the item with the specified key name. Pop item also remove the last inserted item. Dictionary, these are the keys, these are the value. Dict dot pop item print dict. Run it and the output will be brand colon Ford, model colon Mustang. Here year colon 1965, that is the last inserted item. So here pop item method removes the last inserted item. Del keyword. Del keyword removes the item with the specified key name. Dictionary, these are the keys, these are the values. Del dictionary model print dict. Run it and the output will be brand colon Ford, year colon 1964. Here del keyword removes the item with the specified key name, that is model. Del keyword can also delete the dictionary completely. This dictionary equal to brand, model, year, these are the keys, and Ford Mustang 1964, these are the values. Del dict print dict. Run it and the output will be only class dict. This will cause an error because dictionary no longer exists. Clear method. The clear method empties the dictionary. Here dictionary equal to these are the keys colon and these are the values. Dictionary dot clear print dictionary. This method empties the dictionary. Thank you. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.